iPhone 16 Pro Max review, power meets precision. Welcome to our in-depth review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries with their latest flagship model. This phone is tailored for creative professionals, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who demands the absolute best. Let's start with the design and build. It's truly something special. The aerospace-grade titanium makes it incredibly light, yet remarkably strong. The 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display is an absolute marvel. The display and interface work in perfect harmony for a seamless user experience. Dynamic Island and Always-On mode enhance your interactions without being distracting. Expect breathtaking clarity with its high resolution and HDR support. Now let's dive into the performance. It's powered by Apple's most powerful chip yet. The A18 Pro chip with Apple Intelligence brings ultra-fast app launches and on-device AI processing. With 1 terabyte of storage, you'll never worry about running out of space. Let's talk about the game-changing camera system. The quad camera system allows both everyday users and professionals to capture cinema-quality shots. Video recording reaches new heights with 4K at 120 FPS Dolby Vision and ProRes. Despite all its power, the battery life is outstanding. Enjoy up to 33 hours of video playback or 29 hours of streaming. Choose between MagSafe, fast charging, Qi 2, or USB-C charging options. Apple has packed in all the essentials and then some for safety and connectivity. iOS 18 with Apple Intelligence makes the experience smarter and more customizable. The device integrates perfectly with the entire Apple ecosystem for a seamless connected experience. Let's weigh the pros and cons of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The pros include the stunning titanium design, the incredible camera system, and the exceptional battery life. However, it's an expensive device, and there's no charger included. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple at its absolute best. If you want the most powerful, most capable iPhone, this is the phone for you. Buy it now using the link in the description below.